5 travel itinerary mistakes that can sink your visa application and how to fix them. Today we will talk about mistakes one can commit while preparing travel itinerary. Remember, a well-crafted travel itinerary shows your travel plan to the embassy. It strengthens your visa application and it boosts the chances of visa approval. But remember, my friends, little mistakes in travel itinerary can lead to visa rejection. Please watch the video till the end because during the course of the video, I will share a bonus tip which will help you a lot. Before I start the video, I kindly request you guys to put a like to the video and subscribe to my channel. The first mistake people commit is lack of details. A lot of visa applicants share a skeleton travel itinerary. They only mention the dates and they only mention the city names. They don't give a lot of details. The visa officer needs details. Fill in your daily activities, planned tours, internal travel arrangements, hotel booking, flight details. Mention all of those things in your travel itinerary. Mistake number 2, lack of flow and logic. Don't just jump from coast to coast each day. Show a logical flow in your trip. Consider the travel time between the cities. Are you renting a car for the road trip or you are relying on the public transport? Mention this in the travel itinerary. This will show a genuine and well-planned travel itinerary and it will not raise a lot of red flags. Mistake number 3, forgetting proof of onward travel. A return flight ticket or an onward flight ticket is crucial. It shows you intend to leave the country after your trip. Don't forget to mention your return flight ticket or onward flight ticket details in your travel itinerary. Mistake number 4, missing the details that matter. Well, you don't need to plan every minute of your trip, but mentioning cultural events, festivals, or even restaurant reservation demonstrates a well-researched and genuine travel plan. And now the last and final mistake, mistake number 5, inconsistent with the application. There should be a clear connection between the travel itinerary and the reason stated in your visa application. If you're visiting a family, you should state only those visits. And if you are traveling for business, you have to give the details of your business meetings and conferences. It's time for the bonus tip now. Consistency is the key. Ensure the information given in the travel itinerary is matching with the details you have mentioned elsewhere in the application. By avoiding these mistakes, you can create visa travel itinerary which showcases that your trip is well planned and genuine. Do you have any questions about crafting a travel itinerary? Please leave a comment below and let's chat about this one. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel for more visa travel tips.